Hello, Bloom family out there. Got this exciting box in the mail from our friends at iLL. It's a footwear brand out of St. Louis, and they're doing a collaboration with Jason Momoa, launching his On the Roam brand, shoes and apparel. And so, if you go through the catalog right here, we've got some Bloom foam insoles. And then here's some more information about the soulful insoles, a green step forward. And then let's see, got a cool sticker. That's the iLL brand. We got Jason and his bag of other products. Got review card, rewards, climb. It's a impact organization for climbing. Trying to get more kids out climbing. So let's check out the new shoes. Nice box, cardboard. It's got a tab. Oh yeah. All right. Sweet. Oh, those are nice. Those are really good. Wow. That's like his tattoo or something, I think. Very nice. Wow. Kudos, iLL. This looks great. Can't wait to try them on. I think they're my size. And I'm sample size 9, by the way, if anybody cares. All right. So, well, thank you so much. Jason, thank you for supporting the Bloom mission. Thank you, Daniel, for your work here on this product. It's amazing. Looking forward to see many new things coming from the iLL and On the Roam collaboration with Bloom. Thank you, guys.